Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where I'll be discussing how-tos for Microsoft Excel. I've structured this course into 3 different categories: beginner videos represented by a turtle, intermediate videos represented by a rabbit, and advanced videos represented by an owl. Today we're going to be discussing the sum function, which is a part of the beginner course. So let's get started. So some details about the sum formula or sum function. The purpose is to calculate the summation of a list of numbers. We're basically adding together cells. The goal of this function is to increase our speed as well as our accuracy. And the format is an equals sum open parenthesis. What we want to avoid when doing the sum formula is an A1 plus A2 plus A3 calculation. As shown in this video, you can see a list of breadbasket items on the left, and we're going to calculate without the sum formula C3, C4, C5, C6, and C7. This gives us a total of $15.66. Now using the sum formula, equals sum, open parenthesis, highlight the cells you want to add together, close off the parenthesis, press enter. We have the same $15.66. Well, I hope this provided some good insight on the sum formula. Please look forward to future videos as we dive deeper into Microsoft Excel. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.